Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're at Old Warden Tunnel in the Old Warden Nature Reserve. This used to be the old railway track between Hitchin and Bedford in the 1850s, which now is derelict, and as you can see just in the distance, the train is coming out of the tunnel and it's making all this smoke. Oh no, sorry, it's fog. So yeah, this is the tunnel. This is the Bedford side of the tunnel. So behind me you will be going to Bedford, and if you go through the tunnel you'll be going Old Warden, through Shefford, on the way to Hitchin. There's still some sort of parts left of the railway. If you sort of live around Shefford, you've still got a few bridges, but I think this is the only tunnel that is left. I'll get over this stile. One little engine down there. Also got quite a lot of machinery dumped down here. Don't know if that used to be in the tunnel. Look inside the tunnel. There you go, that is inside the tunnel. You can just see the end. It's still quite good condition, seeing how long it's been here for. So obviously people have been in here before with all the graffiti on the walls. Just think of all the trains coming through here going to Bedford. Boop boop. It's a piece of engineering history and railway history. Yeah, it's my foot hitting the... Don't worry, it's not a ghost or anything.
I'd say it's not haunted. So.
Apparently Millie's been looking and she couldn't find anything about any people.
No, they say it's haunted, but I don't really can't find any pieces about it's haunted. So. But it's quite cold here. It's like we walk on a road over there to our right, and when we go to the path which one going to this bit, I feel so freezing cold.
Yeah,
so.
and it should be less cold here because you're sort of more enclosed in.
Yeah, around the trees and stuff.
Yeah, this is a big tunnel inside. So yeah, Old Warden Tunnel, which you can find this in the Old Warden Nature Reserve. There's not much parking here, there's a small lay-by at the side of the road. I think it's more of a sort of a hidden gem, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So yeah, hope everyone enjoys this exploring video, and we'll see you later.